You want to earn money while sleeping? I guess you do, because who doesn't want that anyway? In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make money while you are catching those Z's. Yes, you heard that right. This website that I'm going to tell you will help you earn money while doing nothing. I want you to follow my steps very carefully and listen to everything that I am about to teach you. Because if you don't, you will end up wasting your time watching this and not learning anything at all. That's why you click this video, right? So you can learn how to earn thousands and thousands of dollars online. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you a tool that will make money while you sleep. It is available worldwide, so you just have to follow all the steps. Now, the website that will actually be paying us today is pretty famous. I know, and I'm pretty sure you've heard it before. But believe it or not, this can make you a lot of money. Now, what this website basically does is, it helps other people with their website or Google ads to get more traffic for a small amount of money. The website that I'm talking about is Spyfu.com. This website has 380 reviews, has been in the top 50 products of marketing for 2020, and also the PCMag.com editor's choice. The way that this website does is seen right here. So what does Spyfu do? Spyfu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they've bought on Google Ads, every organic rank, and every ad variation in the last 15 years. This website increases your website traffic, tracks your keyword rankings, and also this website makes better connections. Because you know what? The world of advertising is definitely tricky, especially if you bring it in the online world. So it really just makes perfect sense if you are able to establish a strong network of connections. And this goes to any kind of field, to be honest. Success and money always go hand in hand with people and connections. So as you've seen, this website essentially spies on more successful competitors and allows people to replicate the success of such competitors. Now this may sound a bit complicated and overwhelming at the moment, which is why I suggest for you to stay with me, because we will not be paying for this too. It's very easy. In fact, you don't even need to know how website traffic works and what any of these things mean, so it's a very easy strategy. Now there's a lot more to this website that you can read if you want to. As I said, you don't really need to know anything more from the fact that it increases traffic to websites and various advertisers on Google. So what you need to do, when you come to their homepage, scroll down to the bottom and then click on affiliates right here. Now before I explain more about the website, I want to know you guys a little bit more, so why don't you tell me what your favorite commercial is? It could be a famous ad from a very known brand. It could even be one of those very touching advertisements that you can remember from your childhood. I am definitely curious on what advertisements you guys think are cool, so why don't you just take a minute, just take a breather and let us just take our minds off of the topic for a quick second, because this is to avoid getting you guys to experience information overload with the next things that I am about to discuss. So yeah, what are your favorite advertisements or commercials of all time? What are the most striking brand advertisement taglines that really seem to hit differently for you? I would really love for all of us to start a discussion about these things, so yeah, just take a minute and try to recall your favorite ads and let me know through the comments down below. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Now Spyfu.com is absolutely fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and it's mainly because of these recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. So let me discuss to you what that means. If someone you refer keeps paying Spyfu for like a year, that means that throughout that entire year, you will get 40% of what they pay on this website, which is huge. So you have three very big things about the affiliate program. Spyfu pays a lot in recurring commissions, which makes it the go-to website for someone looking to make money and passive income. The thing that makes the recurring commissions much better is that people will use this simply because they will be getting a huge profit. Yes, they do pay Spyfu, but they will be getting a huge return on that investment, which will encourage them to keep using it for longer periods of time. If you're enjoying the video, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go back. People who keep on using this website just simply means you will be able to earn more money even if you refer a small amount of people to this website. If you scroll down right here, you will see some frequently asked questions on this website. You can see their answers right here, and also, you'll see more info concerning their affiliate program. So Spyfu says that they have 365 days tracking cookies. What this means is that when someone you send your affiliate link to doesn't sign up right away, you will still get paid even if it took them 1 year to do so. This is an excellent feature, because as it says below, not every visitor converts right then, so this allows you to still earn money even if people you refer here don't sign up right away. The next thing that'll happen is that you get paid twice a month, and more importantly, to PayPal or TransferWise. I know that many of you love PayPal, so it's available with this website. Here you can see that this site allows you to earn money in true passive income. Here's exactly what I was saying before, that with less than 4% churn rate, few customers rarely leave. Your current commissions hold real value. So it says for all the people that use this website, there was only 4% of them that stopped using this tool. This further shows just how much potential this site offers you. Most people that you can refer here won't stop using it. This is one of the best features of this site's affiliate program. The last thing you can read on this page here are the frequently asked questions, so you can just go over them to familiarize better. To start, just simply click on Start Earning Every Month right over here. Create your account and grab your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we move on to the traffic source, I know you want to know just how much money we are talking about here. You can check this out yourself by clicking on Pricing right here. Anyways, this site offers 3 different pricing plans. We have Basic, Professional, and Team, which offers annual and monthly pricing options. The Professional pricing plan is the most common one people go for since it's not too expensive but also not too cheap. Just think about it like this. If you bring 10 people here and they all take the annual Professional pricing option, that means you would have paid Spyfu around $7,200 since you get 40%. That is already nearly $3,000 a year for just 10 people. So this site can most definitely make you a lot of money. Now let me show you how you will be getting traffic to those affiliate links. What we need to do is come over to Google, and then the first thing you need to do is make sure your ad block is turned off. So Google will show you ads when you search for something, and what you'll need to search for is anything that will show you ads. So for example, I searched for weight loss, and there are quite a few ads popping up, but it doesn't have to be health related. Our goal here is for Google to show some ads. You can even search for a product that you think has advertisements. We're doing this because those advertisers will be our customers, but there are 2 important factors here. First, do not open up ads that show up on the very first page of Google. Instead, choose the ones that you find on the second or third pages. The second important thing is to not open up the first ad you see on the results list, but the third and fourth instead. Let me explain it more to you as to why we do this. These advertisers are giving Google hundreds of dollars daily, but if they're not on the first page of Google, that means you're losing 90% of the potential traffic. This means that they're losing a lot of money, and since they are advertising, we know that they have a decently large budget, so they will be more than willing to give Spyfu a try in order to get more traffic to their ads. Your goal is to now open up one of the ads, and you now need to find the contact info of those people, so find their Instagram page, Facebook page, email address, whatever it may be. For me, I found their social media info at the bottom right here. We will now contact these people and tell them the benefits of Spyfu. Just go through all of its features and tell them it's a great investment for them. You will do this to all different advertisers that you will see. Contacting a lot will have a great change for these advertisers clicking on this website and are actually trying it. The more you send emails, the more money will come to you. In case you actually don't know what to search for, you can go to infinitesuggests.com. This website will be a huge help to you by giving you keyword suggestions. So if you type in weight loss like I did, it'll show you all of these keywords. It is possible for me to run out of potential clients, and I will easily be able to find many of them. I simply repeat the process over and over again and make thousands of dollars passively. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye!